Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that your earbud automatically starts playing or pausing the music. So actually the first thing that you need to do is to disable the gestures. In the application called JBL Headphones, in the gestures tab, in the of course general, you need to disable gestures completely, or switch the gestures that you won't see playback anymore, and then you need to check if the music still is switching. If the music is still switching, you need to do something completely different. Clean your earbuds. Take out both left and right earbuds and clean them. Here, right here, and right here on the JBL logo. Try to clean it and then check. If it doesn't work still, and if your songs are still switching, it's most likely your phone's issue, because you can't actually switch songs on your headphones, on your earbuds actually, in a different way than gestures. So, and that should be it. Let me know in the comment section if you fixed that, and if your phone is actually at fault. If you feel that your earbuds are at fault, or and you are sure, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. However, it's most likely your phone's issue, so you need to try using a different application to check that, a different phone to check that, and then you'll be sure. That's it. Bye.